In this video, it can be seen that an employee in a busy garage is slowly moving a car by leaning against the back of it. Beneath it lies an open and unprotected service pit as the employee moves forward without noticing the gap in the floor. Their foot slips, and a situation posing a serious risk arises in a short time. The incident shows that service pits and floor openings should not be ignored. Service pits and floor openings should not be left unprotected. All openings must be secured with barriers or covers, and caution must be exercised when approaching the floor. In this clip, you can see that an employee approaches a conveyor belt in motion to pick up a package or clear a jam. The gap between two belts creates an area where the employee could face a serious risk in a short time. Even during a normal operation, being near moving equipment can create a serious danger. It is forbidden to walk or work on the conveyor belt. If a product is to be taken, the system must be stopped and lotto procedures must be applied. Safe work is ensured by energy control, proper stopping, and staying away from risky areas. In this video, it can be seen that a construction worker walks across a long, thin plank that has no middle support. As he reaches the center, the board snaps and he falls. In this video, you can see a working environment is seen where an object is under tension. Equipment or material carrying energy poses a serious risk in case of uncontrolled contact. If any person approaches near the dangerous line during a normal operation, a situation that endangers safety can arise in a short time. The incident shows that stored energy can pose a risk without being noticed. All energy must be isolated and safely discharged before entering the danger. Line operations should not be carried out without providing energy control in systems containing electricity, pressure, or tension. In this video, it can be seen that this construction worker threw wooden planks from a balcony and hit another passing worker because the person below is wearing a helmet. He was not hurt. This shows why you must always look down before throwing materials and why helmets are lifesavers. In this video, you can see that while a car is making a right turn, it encounters a scooter traveling in the right lane. The scooter driver gets in front of the vehicle depending on a sudden maneuver and the vehicle position, and a serious risk arises in a short time. The incident clearly shows the importance of distance and environmental awareness. In traffic, attention should be paid to the surrounding vehicles when changing lanes and making turns. Small vehicles can pose a risk in sudden maneuvers. Accidents are prevented when speed, distance, and attention rules are followed. In this video, you can see that two employees are performing a task around a mechanical press machine in a factory, while one of the employees places the material under the press and makes adjustments. The other heads toward the control panel. However, a hand is still in the dangerous zone of the press and goes unnoticed. As a result of a brief lack of communication, the machine is started, and the press begins to move before the material is fully placed in seconds. A routine operation turns into a situation that poses a serious risk. This incident shows how important communication and coordination are when working with press machines. Before the machine is started, it must be confirmed both visually and verbally that all employees are in a safe position. In this video, it can be seen that this guy's cutting the steel, strapping on a steel coil from a very close distance because the metal is under high tension. It snaps back with extreme force. You should have used long-handled shears as stood to the side when opening it. In this video, you'll notice that cutting trees near houses is dangerous here. A worker calculates the angle wrong and the tree crashes onto the roof. In this clip, you can see that this worker started cleaning the machine while the power was still on because the machine was not locked and tagged out. It kept spinning during the cleaning process, Always turn off the power and use a lock before touching any machinery. One simple mistake can lead to a serious injury. In this video, it can be seen that inside this foundry, a large ladle transports molten metal along a rail. A worker stands between the ladle and the wall. While waiting for it to pass, unexpectedly molten metal drips from the container. In this video, it can be seen that this man is standing on top of metal drums inside a truck. He tries to roll a drum that is on its side, but he loses his footing and falls off the back of the truck. In this video, you can see that an employee is preparing to go down from the second floor with a wooden ladder. The moment they put their foot on the step, the ladder slips because it is not sufficiently fixed and tips over to the side. In a short time, the employee faces the risk of falling from height. The incident clearly shows how critical the use of ladders is at construction sites. Ladders should always be placed on solid ground, fixed from the top, and checked before use. Employees should maintain 3 points of contact, and managers should perform safety checks. In this video, you can see that employees at a construction site are preparing to lift a large prefabricated piece. One of the employees climbs on the piece while half of it is standing on an open floor edge. The piece starts to tip over by losing its balance and turns into a situation that poses a serious risk. In a short time, the incident shows how important position and balance control are when working with heavy materials. Heavy materials near open edges should not be climbed on, and force should not be applied. Transport operations should be carried out in areas where materials are safe and balanced, and risky points should be restricted. In this clip, you can see a busy warehouse filled with high racks and forklifts. Moving between these racks are seen while 2 employees are organizing a pallet in the aisle. A forklift's mast lightly contacts a rack upright while turning a corner. This small contact disrupts the balance of the rack row, and within seconds materials fall, making the aisle dangerous. A routine warehouse operation turns into a serious risk area that requires precision in narrow aisles. Forklifts must be used at low speed and with full control. In narrow aisles, forks should be kept down. A safe distance from racks must be maintained, and racks should be inspected regularly. In this clip, you can see several employees in a retail store are gathered near a closed shutter door. Since there is a commotion outside, the employees are trying to make sure the entrance is locked. Although the barrier appears solid at first, when a vehicle strikes the shutter forcefully, the barrier loses its function and uncontrolled entry is gained. The expected moment of routine precaution turns into a situation that poses a serious risk for employees. In a short time, businesses must be prepared for emergencies. Strong barriers, shutters, and locks gain time for intervention. Employees should be trained on evacuation shelter in place and communication plans. In this video, you can see that a dangerous situation occurs between a pedestrian and a front loader in the same work area. After loading the sand, while the operator is maneuvering, the bucket moves towards the direction of the pedestrian without careful control, and the load is dumped onto a nearby sand pile. This moment, which develops in a short time, shows how risky it is for the employee to be within the normal movement and rotation area of the machine. The incident clearly reveals that the presence of humans in the movement area of heavy-duty machines can pose a serious danger. Heavy machines should not be operated while there are people. Dangerous areas should be marked. A spotter should be kept, and warning systems should be active. This footage documents a serious industrial accident at an aluminum foundry, serving as a powerful reminder of the necessity of following safety protocols. While the production line was active, a worker entered the robotic arm's operational zone to address an issue without first cutting the power or engaging an emergency stop. Because the machinery continued its programmed cycle, the robotic arm struck and pinned the worker against the machine frame, resulting in severe injuries. This incident highlights the critical rule of never entering a hazard zone while equipment is energized.